So you're looking for a strong back and some good looking shoulders? You've come to the right place. Stay tuned. What's up, my friends? It's your boy Siam Banz again with another awesome video. Today's video will be about your back and your shoulders. I'll really help you gain some strength in your back and on your shoulders as well. It's made for beginners. It's easy to follow even if you're still new to working out. It has a series of workout or exercises that you can follow along with a couple of rest periods in between. Once you've completed the entire workout routine, rest for about 90 seconds and repeat the whole thing again up to 3 times. You can really do this 2 to 3 times a week. Once it gets easy and comfortable for you, you know that it's time to level up. Speaking of leveling up, I've got other videos in my channel that are more intermediate and advanced. So do me a favor, before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I post an awesome video like this one. Anyways guys, time to hit the grind. Let's get started. So you made it to the end. It was easy, right? Not too bad. Anyways, you have been awesome. I'm glad you made it this far. If you really like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell. That way you get awesome content every time I post. Anyway, until next time, it's been your homeboy, Siam Banza. Check you out next time. Peace.